When logged into WordPress and viewing your site, you'll notice that there is a toolbar across the top. And this toolbar is going to be very important because it's going to allow you to access your dashboard, which is the main management area for your WordPress site. So now that we've seen what our site is going to look like to the end user who views our site, let's go ahead and access that dashboard. To do so, just point to your blog's name in the toolbar at the top and then choose Dashboard. Once you arrive at the dashboard, you will see a lot of information. It's going to be a general overview of your site as it currently exists. And also on the left-hand side is going to give us a lot of options for managing our site. Now, the first time that you access your dashboard, you're going to see a couple things. One thing is you might see some little message boxes pop up that give you some little tips on how to use certain tools, or just point out that certain tools exist. You're also going to notice things like this Welcome to WordPress box here, kind of in the middle of the screen, that really is kind of a good overview of the types of changes you might want to make to your site. So for instance, it talks about writing your first blog post, about adding an about page, and also a link to viewing your site. It also has a link to manage your widgets or menus, and it talks about turning comments on or off. So there's a lot of information there that's really useful. We'll be covering how to do those things in future videos. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and just dismiss that particular box. And now we're left with the what's more of the permanent subject matter of this dashboard, which is going to be this Right Now box, which is a overview of how many posts and pages you have and what theme you're currently using, as well as information about spam comments and things like that. Now, in addition to the Right Now box, you're going to have things like the Quick Press box, and this is just a place where you can quickly add a new post to your blog if you're using the blogging feature. There's also a place where you can view recent drafts, and these recent drafts would be posts or pages that you've created that you have not yet saved. And below that, we have the recent comments. So there's a box that lets you view your recent comments that have been posted to your site, and as well as some other information like incoming links. So if people are linking to your WordPress site and WordPress becomes aware of it, it will show you who's linking to your site. There's also some general information about WordPress as well. But more importantly, on the left-hand side, we have the dashboard menu. And we're going to be using this very heavily throughout this course because this is going to be the primary way that we access different features of WordPress to either add or manage existing content.